You're watching Newstainment Television.
So we just spoke to Dipti ji about her experience, working with you and on set, and it was COVID times. Would you like to add something?
COVID times, yeah, it was COVID times. And we were quarantined, and I had a 2-year-old at the time, less, 1.5 years old. And Dipti ji brought all her own saris for the shoot. Yeah, I'll never forget to say that because they looked so good on her and they gave a very real quality to the character.
Any message for Gen Zs, youngsters who are watching this movie?
Yeah, it's very important.
Gen Zs, I think dementia is going to be the biggest disease in the future. I mean, they're already talking about how big it is, and it's important to be aware that this is really part of life sometimes, and you might have to be taking care of your parents the way your parents took care of you.
I think that is a very important factor that the film deals with. You know, how does a young person who has their own life agenda and they're in the middle of so much happening in their own life, and suddenly they realize that maybe they have to drop all that and then rethink how are they going to look after their parents.
Yeah.
So ये बहुत important और ये बहुत बड़ा message है इस film का for this coming generation.
Kalki, there's one question prompted for you that now, how do you see a film from a mother's point of view?
Oh yeah, it definitely makes me appreciate my mother more. I see how much hard work goes into those early years of parenting, and of course the mother-daughter relationship is a very tough one because there's such a sort of dependency on each other in the beginning, and as the daughter grows up, she needs less of the mom, but it's harder for the mom to let go, I feel, and that difference is. It's really, it helped me a lot with understanding the character and the difficulties that we had as parent and daughter in the story.
We are very fortunate. Very fortunate that the film has come back. In the theatre, we were not. We had kind of lost hope, because it ran like maybe for 2 or 3 days and then it was taken off. So now that it is back, now people are more curious and getting to see it, and it's spreading by word of mouth, so which is very good for the film. And जितने भी लोग आए देखिए, मतलब it's a great feeling that a small film like this is being talked about and the word is spreading.
आज re-release और हाउसफुल है. People are loving it already. आपकी chemistry कैसी रही काल्की के साथ on set? It's a very very emotional subject. Some nuances. What do you have to say on that?
I thoroughly enjoyed working with her. Thoroughly enjoyed. I think for the first half an hour or 1 hour we were gauging each other on the set, and then it just took off together. We were like, it was so comfortable. She's very talented, extremely talented, and I love all her work which I have seen so far. I just love her work. So it was really wonderful to be working with such competent people.
So many films that you've done. I'm sure every film leaves a mark behind, some memory. With this film, what do you carry home?
We shot it during the COVID time, so there's this whole aspect of having to be quarantined for 10 days in a small little hotel room, and then finally when we got down to on the set, it was such a big relief, and then the whole thing happened in such a charming way. We were on the street when the church across kind of hosted our costume department and the lunch and everything was shut down. So, and another house here which was the changing room and the makeup, and then this is my house and Lakshmi's house, and everything is so, it was such an intimate space, just one street and then the routine. I loved. Kalki had a little one, Safo with her, so short देते थे और Safo के पास भाग जाते थे.
How nice. What message would you like to give to the audience?
It's a very sensitive film. It's a very relevant topic. Dementia, Alzheimer's. For me, this is, I think, the most special film of my career because my mother suffered from Alzheimer's and dementia, and I had lived that with her for the past many years. So when I had felt, I could relate to it like nothing, no other role of mine. This role for me was so intense and special because of that factor. Mama had just gone away, and then I got this role when Rajat called me and said, "Ye role hai." In 3 sentences, I heard what the role was, and I said, "I'm doing it because I felt it is my calling. It's like this role is meant for me. I have to do it." Baad mein script, baad mein scenes, baad mein money, everything else later. It was just the subject came as this woman suffering from dementia, mother-daughter relationship. That's it. I said, "Tell them I'm doing it. I'm on the unit."
Oh, nice.
So it was a gut feeling, and it turned out so nice.
Thank you, Dipti. Kalki, would you like to? Kalki, the re-release of Goldfish is so talked about. Everybody is loving it. What do you have to say?
I'm very happy that our film is in the theatre again. It's quite a pleasure to have the same film in the theatre again, and I'm really happy that those who didn't get to see it last time get to see it now.
Your chemistry with Dipti ji on set, how was the whole experience? 2 fine actors together, and then the end result is, of course, it's raved, talked about. What do you have to say?
Deepti ji is a wonderful actor, as everybody already knows. What I love most about her is her spontaneity. She's somebody who doesn't like to rehearse too much, but when the camera is on and we start the take, she just lights up and does something new every time. So it surprises me, and I react to her acting. So it gets the best out of both of us.
ताकि आपका जो रील है गोल गोल रोटियां इतना वायरल हुआ है, क्या कहेंगे इसके लिए?
गोल गोल रोटियाँ, हाँ वो सच है कि मेरी एक्चुअली रोटी इतना गोल गोल नहीं आता है, और hopefully one day I will master that as I'm mastering the acting.
Wow, that's so nice.
Amit.
Deepti ji, are you
This is Newstainment Television.